Hey, Levi, you're known for farts, but can you try your best to burp? Okay.
Who is
Um,
who is this?
Sean H. Let me
Shout out to
see here.
Sean H.
Hold on real quick. Let me get I gotta get more water, and then I can burp for you, Sean. Maybe.
This is our second person on the John tonight. All right,
Yeah,
let's
everybody shits and listens to us, I
yeah,
guess.
whatever. I guess your fart short.
There you go.
Ooh, hey, okay. You know
Came
what?
out of nowhere,
Hey,
man.
hey, you know what?
There it is,
Here
man.
you go, Sean.
That's a rare occurrence.